This video is an overview of the expectations of the requirements for completing Programming Merit Badge with myself or another Merit Badge counselor. I'm offering this Merit Badge virtually via a set of 3 other YouTube lectures, which I've listed down in the description below, and in addition, 1 or 2 to 3 meetings if necessary for completing the programming exercises to where we go through code together to understand what it does, and you edit and make programs in 3 different languages. That's part of the requirements. So the requirements that I'm using are the official ones from Scout's BSA that I got into by just Googling Programming Merit Badge, and I got the ones from scouting.org. This PDF is what comes up. The requirements are a combination, like I said, of reviewing online lectures and then in-person exercises. In general, everything except 5 is something that you need to do on your own after watching the other lectures or doing the research yourself. I highly recommend that for everything except requirement 5, that you start a document, like here on the right, of a scout that turned theirs in already and completed the merit badge. You can see he kept it very simple. So yes, it does look like all the answers are here. I know that, but I can tell if you copied it straight from here. And also, you're going to be learning slightly different things for each one. So for example, 3A is to list 10 programming languages, but there's so many out there that I doubt the ones that you will choose are the same ones that he would choose. So everything except 5 on the requirements here, you would do basically on your own, but I've given you the tools to do so via the videos, and you can always research. For requirement 5, this is where we will meet virtually via Zoom, so with myself and another adult. We would do 5A, B, and C, which are 3 different languages, but the same program, and we will go through and I'll help you understand how to modify it, how to change it, and to understand 3 different languages. Everything else you would turn in via this document, and that at the end, if I have this document, knowing that you've gone through all requirements except 5, and then we've completed the sessions to do 5A and B and C, then at that point, we will have completed everything that we need to. One last thing I forgot, I apologize, is at the very beginning, your current up-to-date cyber chip, that's something I believe you have to do with your parent, and so that's not something I can do with you. So in summary, you've got your cyber chip that needs to be completed with yourself and your parent. You've got written requirements. That right here is an example of a scout that did this successfully. And then also, I think the hardest but the most important and fun part is 5A, B, and C, and then D is a summary of A, B, and C that we would do virtually via a Zoom meeting or something like that.